Hi, myself is Vijay Lakshmi, Department of Mechanical from the BGMIT Mudhol. Today we are conducting the FEM lab experiments. Uh, Cantilever beam subjected to the uniformly varying load. Uniformly varying the load. To obtain a, in this our aim is to obtain a shear force diagram and a bending moment and reaction force at the support for a rectangular cross section beam having an area of a zero point 0.2 meter into zero point 0.3. Young's modulus is 210 gigapascals. First we have to write down the given data. Area is a 0.06 meter. Moment of inertia is a bh cube divided by 12. This is formula. Our value is 0.00045 meter forward. Height 0.3 meter. The same Young's modulus is 2.1 into 10 raised to 11 Newton meter square. This is the our drawing point. This is the our drawing. Point A is the fixed and point B is this. Oh, here the variable point A to B 3 kilonewton meter load is varying from A to B. Now we have to solve this problem in the answers. Double click on answers. Okay. Preference, structural. Okay. Preprocessor, add a element, add beam 2D elastic 3. Okay. Close. Real constant, add. Okay. Here we have to put the beam parameters. Area of a beam is 0.06 and moment of inertia is 0.0045 and then height of the beam is 0.3. Okay. Material properties, material models, structural linear elasticity isotropic 2.1 e raised to 11. This is by default 0. Close this window. Modeling, create nodes, inactive CS. First one. First coordinate, first node coordinators are x is a 0, y is 0, z 0. Apply. Second coordinator, second node coordinator is a 4 meter in the x axis. Okay. Now I am creating a element modeling. Create element. Element auto numbered through node 1 to 2. Okay. Applying load, define a load, apply a load, structural displacement on node, click on node, all divide up. Okay. Force and a moment on node, click to node, sorry, cancel. It's a uniformly distributed. You have to take a pressure on beam, click a beam element 1. Okay. Here the it's a variable. I is 3 kilonewton, 3000 newton. For a j it's a second point, it's a 0. Okay, this is the variable load applying here. Solution, solve, current ls. Okay. General prospectus, element table, define a table, add by sequence SMISC 2, apply SE6, apply 8, apply SMIC 12. Okay. Float result, counter float, line element result, SMISC 2 and SMISC 8. You will get a CR. This is the shear force diagram, and you will take 6 and 12. This is the bending moment diagram of the this cantilever uniformly distributed load. Reaction of load, you have to see least result, reaction solution, all items. Click on OK. This is the reaction load where you have to apply the load. Let's compare with these results with your analytical method. Thank you.